welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Qatar National Bank cannot log in. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is head over to your app drawer and make sure that you're entering the correct name of the app. Once you're here, what you'll have to do is open the QNB app on your mobile and make sure that you're entering the correct credentials to your account. After you've made sure of that, what you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that issue still persists, then head over to your settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for QNB Mobile, tap on QNB Mobile, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of QNB Mobile, and then you can reopen the app. If the issue still persists, head over to your search bar and then in the search bar what you can type in is QNB Mobile. Once you type in QNB Mobile Banking, you can update it to the latest version. If the issue still persists, then head over to your app drawer, search for QNB Mobile, and then long press on it, uninstall it on your device, and reinstall it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.